Eon Michael Evans. 24W836404.
Right off the bat, we're dealing with a defendant already in custody, and that immediately raises the stakes. This isn't just a casual court appearance anymore. Question for you. Do you think being in custody makes judges less patient or more willing to listen?
Ian Evans.
Is he in custody?
Yes. Okay.
I don't understand these guys. All you gotta do is come talk to us. All right, detective, your name?
Detective Davis, Woodhaven Police Department.
Mr. Evans, your name?
Ian Evans.
Your appearance?
I would expect Ian Evans.
What is he gonna do?
Judge, he works before and gets paid Friday and can have this paid by Monday. But he will plead guilty to felony.
Hang on, look at me, Mr. Williams. You understand what your lawyer said? Hello? Talk to me, not to him.
Oh,
He's the
I can't
police
hear, sorry.
officer. I'm the judge. Come on up here. Are we having a problem with the volume?
A little bit. I didn't tell you were talking to me. My fault, sir.
All right, that's all right. Can you hear me now?
Yeah, I can hear you.
This is a critical legal moment. The judge is clearly laying out the consequences, jail time versus payment. And notice how carefully he explains the rights being waived. That's not just formality, it protects the plea from being challenged later. Would you risk jail here or try to negotiate more time?
Your lawyer tells me you're going to plead guilty. If you plead guilty to this failure to pay $285, you could get 29 days. You can satisfy that in full by serving the 29 days, so you'll be out by February the 4th or 5th, or you can pay it all, or you can serve some time and pay the balance. You get $10 credit for each day served. Do you understand that?
I understand.
can't. You understand that?
Yep.
You're presumed innocent. They have to prove you guilty by a preponderance of the evidence. You have the right to question their witnesses. Bring in your own. Use the subpoena powers of the court to bring in those witnesses. If you plead guilty, you'll be giving up all those rights, and we are not going to have a trial of any kind. You understand that?
Yes, sir.
To the charge you failed to pay $285, how do you plead?
Plead guilty.
You failed to
Judge.
pay?
His balance is actually $320 now.
And there it is, the cost of not showing up. The fine just jumped from $285 to $320. This is how quickly small legal issues snowball into bigger problems. Missing court doesn't just delay things, it makes them worse. Ever seen a situation spiral like this over something small?
Now,
Oh, $320 because of warrant fees, because he doesn't show up. To the charge you
Correct.
failed to pay $320, how do you plead?
Guilty.
So you could get 32 days. Do you understand that?
I do, sir.
You failed to pay?
I cannot pay right now. I'm sorry.
Did you
I,
fail to pay? You got
I
a
did.
problem.
I did fail to pay.
Anybody force you to plead guilty?
Nobody forced me to plead guilty.
How old are you?
How old am I? 22. Just turned 22.
You work at Ford Motor Company?
A little over a year now.
Where at? Which plant?
Down in Monroe, the packaging
much?
plant.
How much do you make there?
I just now make over like $25 an hour.
You married?
No.
Kids?
I have a kid on the way in April.
This is where the tone shifts. The judge is no longer just explaining, he's evaluating credibility. From a legal standpoint, income matters because it affects whether non-payment looks like inability or neglect. And right now, the judge is leaning toward neglect. Fair or too harsh?
You're making $25 an hour and you haven't paid your fines? You got a big problem here. You better call somebody.
Yeah, it was.
You don't think I'm going to let you walk out of here today, do you? You show disrespect like this, you don't pay.
I know.
Hang on. If you told me you were making $8 an hour and you had 4 kids and somehow, some way you didn't have the time to come in here, I might understand it. You should have come in and talked to us. You didn't show up in March. You blew this off.
Yeah.
Did you let him make, detective, your name?
Detective Kyle Davis.
Did you let him make calls?
He did get a phone call with his mother, I believe,
You
hours
better,
ago.
you better get your mother to bring you the money.
I already you know, it's all my money, and I pay rent and stuff on my own, so I don't get
To
paid
who?
until I don't get paid until Friday.
Rent to who?
My like rent, I pay for my own house and stuff, so I rent
Where
my house.
you own listen, do you rent a house?
I do.
Where's the house?
It's over there in Taylor.
How much you pay per month?
Just about 1,500, a little bit more. Like I I wish I had the money. Like I would pay it right now if I could. Like I said, I
Mr.
just
Evans, it's
money's
not
tight.
that you don't have the money. It's not, that's not the issue.
I
The
know.
issue is you should have shown up for your show cause instead
Here's the
of,
thing, though.
listen, you're interrupting. Judges
Sorry.
don't like it when you interrupt. You should have
Sorry.
just come in here back in March and said, Judge, listen, I'm having some hard time. I pay $1,500 a month. I don't have the money. Can I have an extension? In which case I would have said yes.
Your
And if
Honor.
you did that, you're interrupting me again. I thought I said not to interrupt me. If you did that 42 times, I still would have let you go on. Do you understand?
Yes, sir. I understand. Can I add something, Your Honor?
Can you have what?
Can I add something? I haven't the reason why I haven't had no vehicle though. So like ever since
Wait a minute, I didn't hear that. I didn't hear that. You what?
I haven't since I got that accident though. I never even knew that I never had no vehicle to like get that ticket or warrant like handled. So I never even knew that it like became a warrant until like I had like my new vehicle set. So like it's kind of like just I didn't like avoid it. I just could never like make my way down to Woodhaven or anything like that to like
Hey,
handle
that
it.
sound like you live in Iron Mountain, young man. You drove by here every day. Where's the plant you work at?
I technically don't drive there. I drive
Where's
my
the
mom.
plant you work at?
Monroe.
Where's Taylor? Is it north of here or south of here?
It is. That's north from Monroe.
Where is Monroe from here? Is it south of here or north of here? You
South.
drive by here, whether you're driving whether you're taking a helicopter ride, a boat ride, you're taking a bicycle, somebody's driving you. You come by here every single day. I-75, you would take to Monroe, and there's a Woodhaven exit on I-70 off of I-75.
Your
Make
Honor.
it sound like this was an impossible task. We didn't ask you to go to the moon.
Yeah, I'm sorry. It was real.
It's not, you don't have to apologize to me. You're going to be the one that's going to end up
I
with the
know.
consequences here.
I know. It's just things. Like I said, when I got that ticket, I didn't. I lost my car. I was in the middle of moving, and I never even like really thought of it. And then I got a car back, and then the car blew up on me, and then I had to get a new. It's just been like. It's not even like I don't even drive to work. I don't, to be honest with you, my mom drives me to work. So, I carpool with her. We work together. So, like, it's not that I purposely avoided or, it's just like, I just never even really had thought of it. I ended up moving. I never got an email or text that like the ticket became a warrant or anything like that. So, and
Where was it? Hang on, slow down. Detective, where was he picked up?
Southgate.
What was he doing in Southgate?
It was a traffic stop. The officer indicated that, the high beams, were on, so he, pulled him over because the high beams and
I
windows.
thought you just told me you don't drive. Didn't you just tell me? Hang on.
I said I don't drive.
Hang on.
I don't go down past Woodhaven though. I go to reviews of the gym and that's it.
You drive to Monroe for work, right? Somebody drives.
Come on.
You don't take a helicopter, do you?
My mom, yeah, I drive with my mom down there, but I ride back here up to Taylor after work, and then I go to the
Son.
gym. I go to the
Son.
gym.
That right there is the turning point. When a judge says this out loud, it's a warning shot. Sentencing decisions are often influenced by attitude and honesty in the moment, not just the facts. Somehow, this is still salvageable, but barely.
The more we're having this conversation, the more I think you need to go to jail.
Okay.
These guys. How much you get paid on Friday?
They should get paid around. It's a holiday check. I should be getting paid pretty good money.
I didn't ask you that. Can you pay this all on Friday or do you
I
need
can.
more time?
I can pay it all on Friday, sir.
Are you sure?
100%.
I will give you more time if you need more time, but you can't do this. You should learn that this should be a lesson because really you should go to jail today. Are you
I
sure
know.
you can pay all of this on Friday?
the 300 and what is it, $20 now? I can give you even more than that.
I don't want more than that. You pay 320 by January the 9th. Actually, I'll give you credit. When was he picked up? This morning or yesterday?
This morning at 2:20 in the morning.
Well, he spent some time in jail. You pay 310 by January the 9th. Any balance waived? There is no balance because I'm giving you $10 credit for the last few hours. Come on, don't get in the habit of a lot of these other guys, will you? You're gonna just make your life miserable.
I know.
Enough without doing that. Judges are not unreasonable. You go talk to them. Judge, I don't have the money. Nobody's gonna give you a hard time as long as you go in there and are up front. You're not brought in handcuffs. Best of luck. Thanks, detective.